Hello everyone, my name is Randall R. Baladares, and I'm excited to introduce myself to you. In this video, I'll be sharing a bit about my background, interests, and passions. I am from Dapitan City, where I grew up surrounded by loving family and friends. My upbringing has shaped me into the person I am today, with values such as hard work and kindness. When I'm not studying or working, you can find me at the seaside, watching the sunset and listening to the waves. I am passionate about learning new things. My goal is to succeed in my chosen career. I believe that everyone deserves access to quality education, and I'm excited to share my journey with you and learn from your experiences as well. That's a little bit about me. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.